Hello, this is Westgate Property Management, and I am outside of 220 Payran Street in Petaluma. I'm going to walk you through this 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath home in just a moment, but I want to give you a view of the surrounding neighborhood. This home is located in West Petaluma, near the Target shopping center and across from the library. And this home has a lot of really special features. This owner is really truly an artist and has made this home so incredibly special. So you come into these double glass French doors. And I'm going to go ahead and shut the door so you can see how quiet it is once you shut the door. And you have this entryway, which is just super bright. It would make a great office or artist studio. And there is a half bath right here. So as soon as you come in the front door, very modern application. And there's a half bath. And then through these double vintage doors with the glass knobs, you go into the living room with dark walnut floors, nice wainscot on the walls, and new reset lighting. There's the dining room. And this looks out at the back of the house. So really sweet, updated kitchen with a lot of vintage charm as well. So beautiful stainless farm sink, newer appliances, gas range. There's an on-demand water heater. And good use of space. The owner put the dishwasher on this side. And there's washer and dryer hookups back here, as well as the sweetest Dutch door. Just love that. I'll take you through that in just a moment. And this is the back bedroom. Has really sweet paneling on the walls, wood floors, blackout shades, and you can close this door as well. A beautiful updated bathroom, beautiful molding, a shower and tub combination. And this bedroom faces the front of the home. This is the larger of the 2 bedrooms. As you can see, it's really quite quiet, and there's blackout shades here as well. And you can close this door to keep your bedrooms private. So back into the family room or living room. Now I'm going to take you out to see the garage. Through the Dutch door, there's the back patio that you can use for either entertaining or additional parking. So this is for this tenant, and it's parking. And there's also this finished 1-car garage here. So again, this is 220 Payran Street in Petaluma. Thank you so much for watching.